How to make chocolate chip cookies. Let us learn this simple recipe. Welcome. Food is a cause and a cure. For factual nutrition information, please subscribe to our channel. Ingredients you need: 2 and 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 cup butter, softened 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 3/4 cup packed brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 1 cup coarsely chopped nuts if desired. Heat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a small bowl, mix flour, baking soda, and salt, set aside. In a large bowl, beat softened butter and sugars with an electric mixer on medium speed, or mix with a spoon for about 1 minute or until fluffy, scraping side of bowl occasionally. Beat in egg and vanilla until smooth. Stir in flour mixture just until blended, dough will be stiff. Stir in chocolate chips and nuts. Onto ungreased cookie sheets, drop dough by rounded tablespoonfuls 2 inches apart. Bake 8 to 10 minutes or until light brown, centers will be soft. Cool 2 minutes, remove from cookie sheet to cooling rack. Cool completely, about 30 minutes. Store covered in an airtight container. Visit our website for more nutritional information. You can also connect with registered dietitians, nutrition coaches, personal trainers, and yoga instructors through our website. Thanks for watching. We hope this information is useful to everyone. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more nutritional videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell.